Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to change candle color in TradingView. So firstly you can simple open your chart. After that once you open your chart, here you will see in your top navigation bar a setting icon. Simple press the setting icon. Okay, if you not found the setting icon here, don't worry, you can simple right click on your chart. Then after click on settings, and then once you open the setting, here you can simple click on canvas. Okay, by simple tap on the button. After that here you will see a background option. Okay, and also sorry, you can simple click on symbol to change the candle color. In symbol icon here you will see the body, border and wick color. You can simple tap on it and then change the color which one you want. Okay, here you will see also my colors of the candle is changing. I can easily do it. If I want to change it to purple, I can do it, and the main color will be changed to yellow. Yes, here you will see my candle colors will be changed here. You can also customize it inside it by simple changing other colors like border and wicks. So here is how you can easily change the candle color in TradingView. Goodbye.